asked me what the difference is between a veneer and a crown, so let me show you. For a crown, we actually recontour the entire tooth, outside, inside, and sides. So the crown is going to fit entirely over the entire tooth with the same shape as the other teeth. And these crowns can either be a zirconia crown, which we place in the back, or much stronger, or it can be an all porcelain. A veneer, on the other hand, only covers the front of the tooth, not the back. Let me show you. Just do a minimal preparation on the front. It's like a fake fingernail, and it actually is placed strictly on the front of the tooth, and on the back of the tooth, it only covers the edge. So that's a difference between a crown and a veneer. It asked a lot about the difference between Lumineers and veneers. So there's really not much of a difference. They're both made out of material called lithium disilicate. That's right, it's a big term for a very common procedure. The veneers are made by basically a cosmetic dental lab, but Lumineers are made by one lab, and that's called DenMat. Both of them can be minimal prep. Both of them can reduce very little tooth structure. So basically, you're just talking about the difference between labs that make the product. So Lumineers and veneers are very similar. So don't let that fool you.